all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness. There comes a time where you fade to the blackness, and when you staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight, and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
That airplane in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Ja šodien bijāt Vecrīgas ielās, tad redzējāt pie Laimes pulksteņa un brīvības pieminekļa norisinājās festivāls, flashmob, akcija, lidmašīna, lidināšana. Uzrakstījām virsū savu karstāko vasaras vēlēšanos, laidām gaisā un zinām, ka tā piepildīsies.
Tas par godu arī mūsu vienam no galvenajiem māksliniekiem B.o.B, kuram populārākā dziesma ir Airplanes ir Lidmašīnas.
Tāpēc tiekamies vasaras priecīgākajā, pamatīgākajā un karstākajā festivālā Pestivals.
Pretend that airplane from the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now.